Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now you can click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction, or you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you can confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.